My Defender just turned 20 years old this week, and I thought there's still quite a bit of outstanding work to do on it. I don't have much time today, but I did want to do a little birthday treat for it. So I've noticed it for quite a while now. I've had this part for about 6 months. The door seal on the very bottom, it's kind of hanging down a little bit. One of the rivets is a little bit worn as well. So basically today I'm going to drill out the old rivets, refasten a new seal on with new rivets, and that's pretty much it today. Now, handily enough, all the end of the rivets came off on the drill bit. If you do want to get the rest of the rivets out, you have to take off this bottom bit here, just pull off this bit, get amongst it and just fish the old rivets out, or the old ends anyway. Now, I broke one of my plastic retainers, taking this back off again, but luckily I still have quite a few from the summer, quite a few spares, so it's always handy to have these little plastic dowels when you do anything to do with this, because I guarantee something will snap on it. So two types of rivet gun here. There's either the really big one, which probably won't do for the door, because I suppose if you jacked it up a little bit you could get it on. But I've just got a little handheld one because the rivets are so small as well. Stick your rivet in the end there, just pump it until it snaps in place. And also an assorted rivets. You'll find one that fits out of all this stuff. Okay, so two of the rivets didn't go on quite as I'd liked. Them two there, still are not too bad. The rest of them, relatively neat job. My issue was actually with my rivet gun. What happened was, because I was working upside down and trying to clamp it, the actual lock of the rivet gun, what locks it together when it's in storage, kept blocking the compression of the rivet gun. So it was like that there. And every time I squeezed it together, it would bounce off that. So I ended up just ripping it off, and then the rest of the rivets went in perfectly. I can obviously reattach it when I put it back into storage again. But if you do get an upside down rivet gun or anything in hard to reach places, make sure your rivet gun doesn't self-lock or self-block like that. Make sure you're getting the full compression of the rivet gun. So that was just a quick half an hour job. 1 hour in total to get everything out, charge my drill up, get everything put away as well. So, I've not got a lot of time today, but, for its 20th birthday, it's obviously getting on a little bit now. Not quite a classic car yet. 25 years old, I believe, is the classic car kind of like era. Once it gets to 30-year-old, then I'll call it a classic car. But until then, hit the like button if you have liked what you see. Subscribe along if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time.